Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today I'm going to unbox the Neewer light, which is Neewer RGB Pro light, and I recently ordered it. And yeah, I just wanna have the portable light that I can carry around, and it also has a battery operated system with it, which is very convenient and nice. So you can take this light outdoor, and it's pretty useful. And the main thing about this light is that I can connect this light with my phone and control it while it's in front of me or behind me. I can change the setting and look in the camera how is the look of the light. So without any further ado, let's open the light and see what we have in the box. So come with this very nice case, which is very convenient. And let me put this box inside. So if you look at the case, I think it should be uh, one by one. So it's square, as you can see, and it's a soft box for this light. And it's very convenient carrying case for this light. And so if you look at inside, we're gonna get a warranty card and some instruction manual of this light, which is quite big book for some reason. So anyway, let me show you the light itself, how it looks. So this is the light right here. I'm gonna tighten these up. So, and this is the back side of the light, as you can see. And right now I'm gonna turn this on with the 12-volt power adapter that's come with it. So this is the power adapter that's come with it, and this also goes with that, and that's about it in the box. So the build quality is I think pretty nice, solid metal build. And on the front of the light, so now my fingerprints are on the front of the light. Before I show you, so you can see the barn doors front of the light, and they are metal and very sturdy to protect the light, or um, give the direction of the light where you want to put the light. So it can go wider, as you can see. You can make them look wider, and you can make them smaller to select the certain area where you want to light up the stuff. So, and it takes two Sony's battery in the back, so you can use this light outdoor as a external light. And one good feature about this light is it is RGB, first of all, and the second of all, color accuracy is pretty good. It is rated as 97% color accuracy with this light. And also you can connect multiple lights with single app. So you have to set the channel. There is a channel button right here on the light. Hopefully it's focused. So you select the channel, let's say channel 7, and then the other light you have to set on the channel 7, so they can communicate with each other, and then you can control multiple lights with one app. So let's turn this light on and show you guys how bright this light is. So by the way, the front of the light, there is small piece of diffuser front of this light, and which is pretty convenient. But let me remove it and see if I can. Yep. So I can remove it. Seems like it's been opened before, but anyway. So right here is the diffuser, as you can see, and I'm gonna leave it there. Seems like it does have little bit marks on it, but I'll probably gonna order later on softbox for this light, and then I will show you guys how the light is. And the softbox is pretty important for this light because it's pretty bright. Let me turn on and then I'll show you how bright it is. And this light is 55-watt light, and it's still pretty bright, and 56,000 color temperature this light has. And the good thing about this color temperature that even in the RGB mode, the color temperature still stays the same. All right, so I did test this light already because it's been with me a couple days already, so I did not use it much, but I just turn it on, test it, and that's about it, because I was planning to make a video on it about it, so that's why. All right, so the light is on, and here we go. So there is a two switch. One side it says plug-in power, so the other side is the battery power. So when you plug in the batteries, then you can select that side. So you have color temperature here. As you can see right now, the light is 1%. So you can probably see how bright it is. It is 1% only, and it's very bright. Let me show you in the back. See that? It's only 1%. If you can see the number here, let me show you. If I move out of the way, so it's 1%. So color temperature I set to the max. So it's as you can see 56,000, and I can control this light with the Bluetooth. There is a Bluetooth pairing button. Yep, there is a Bluetooth pairing button, and right now, let's say I want to increase the light, and you guys can see how bright it is. So it takes a while to literally go on the 100%. This button is quite slow, but anyway, look at the light, guys. So this is 100%, and look at the other side, how bright it is. And then I can set the color temperature. Let me change the color temperature, and then you'll see it will turn yellowish, as you can see in the video. Let me reduce the light, go back to around, let's say I'll go 1%, so you guys can see. So this is 1% only, and the current temperature is minimum is 3200, and if I go up, it's gonna turn white, as you can see. So this is daylight temperature 5600K, and that's what I like about this light. So I do have a stand for this light, and before that, let me select the RGB mode. As you can see right now, it's red, and if I, so the same thing, if I keep turning, it can change the different change into different colors. It seems like the color looks similar in the video, but the color is changing. Right now it's green. So yep, as you can probably see on the barn door, now right now is light blue. All you can see in the back, see that? So if I change, let me change it for you guys so you can see. Hold on, let me actually move on the side. So it's only 1%. Remember, guys, this is only 1%. Let me increase the light, and then I'll show you how much color it's gonna add in the back. So right now, look at that. This is only like 70%, and look at this, how much color it has in the back. So this is dark blue. It's so bright that it shows on my curtain white. So I'm gonna reduce the brightness and let's go to the other color. All right, this is purple, and so the process of changing the lights, it's quite slow. From the button, it's quite slow. Let me connect my phone, and this will make things much better. So, all right, Neewer light should connect immediately because I already paired this device before, and still waiting. Here we go, it's connected. So right now it's on the white light. So let me go on the scene. As you can see, it has different setting on the app, which is pretty amazing to see. And let's say it has squad car, it has ambulance color, as you can see in the back is changing, and then it has fire engine. So it's pretty nice feature in this light, and it has this party color as well. It's keep changing the colors, as you can see in the back, and it has a flash color, lightning color, basically lightning mode in this app. Here, anyway, let's go back to only color, and I can just drag this, and look at this, how fast it is to change the color. This is the best thing that I like about this light. See that if I add red color in the back, it looks very nice. Even in the blue color and the red and then the white on the front of me, it looks very nice. Let me put this on the stand. So what do you think, guys, overall? How is the quality of this light? I do have a light stand with me, so I'm gonna put it there and then add this light in the background, and we'll see how it's gonna look. The stand is pretty solid because, and it was for the light as well. So if you enjoy the video, if you have any question about this light, do let me know. So let me tell you guys the price also, which I forgot. I was supposed to mention it before. So this light I bought for, so right now it's on Amazon, $149, and there is also coupon deal going on, so it's $15 extra saving with this light. And what you'll get the soft carrying case, a charger, and a light itself, no stand. So yeah, this is, if you buy pair of them, you can find this like $308 for two lights with the stand and with the bags, stand and the bags. So this is, the color accuracy is 97 plus, and there is two type of diffuser for this light. One is the, see this, here you go, the squarey, and the other one is the round. And if you guys have any idea about these diffuser, do let me know in the comment below which one is better, round or the square one, because I am planning to get that, because if I look straight into that light or use straight, it's very bright. So diffuser will help a lot. And yep, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do like and subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.